I'm over here like, save the planet, and then I see a bug and I'm like literally about to kill it.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you don't know, the earth is dying. Yeah. No, but in all seriousness, global warming is a thing. Climate change is real. It's annoying that we have a president that does not believe in the scientific evidence of climate change. Like, how do you argue with science? The environment, the health of the planet that we live on should not be political. It should not be a debate. It's not political, it's environmental, like literally, like actually. So today I'm going to do a look to inspire y'all to save the mother effing planet, okay? Because I'm trying to be around for the next 20 years. I don't know if my kids will live a full life at the rate that we're going. And it sounds dramatic, but honestly, do your research. I'm being serious. So if you guys want to see me do an eyeshadow look that will give you Earth Day realness, then keep watching. Global warming is on the rise. The polar bears are dying, and there's a heat wave all across the country. Why is it 100 degrees in Maryland? You know, that's not a typical summer day there. Very odd. Here in North Carolina, 100 degrees is a cool day. Literally, I'm not joking. I currently live in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and if it's 100 degrees here, that means that it's like a cooler day. What in the heat wave is going on? Now, still, you know, I understand that the South is going to be warmer in the summer, and I know that this is my first time living in the South, and of course I have to be here for the summer because now I live down South for the first time. But dang, it's always hot like this in the summer? It can't be. It has to be global warming, and I'm mad about it. Even right now, it's so hot outside that I'm upstairs filming in my beauty room. Y'all, I'm like finna start sweating. I'll be back. I have to go turn my air on because global warming. It's hot in here. I am gonna clean under my brows, but I'm gonna do shadow first, okay? I'm taking the only two colorful eyeshadow palettes that matter in my life. The Morphe 35B. Let me make sure I'm even saying, yep, 35B. And the James Charles Morphe palette. If you can't tell, Morphe makes my favorite shadows. I thought I saw a bug. I thought I saw a bug, okay. I'm over here like, save the planet, and then I see a bug and I'm like literally about to kill it. All right, so I'm going to start in my James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm taking this green shade right here. I don't remember the name of it, and I still have like the name slip, but it's on the other side of my beauty room, and I'm not about to get up. Also, I don't keep up with James Charles. That's not a diss. I just don't. You can't watch every beauty guru ever, you know? I don't keep up with him, so can somebody tell me if he's still canceled or like what? I just want to know, okay? I'm not hating. I ain't trying to start no drama. I ain't nobody, you know? I just want to know. I just want to know like what the streets feel about him. This has zero to do with saving the environment, but my favorite bougie YouTuber is Amber Scholes because one, we both grew up in Maryland. I know y'all are probably so confused. I was born and half raised in New York, so I claim New York, but then my family moved to Maryland, so most of my childhood was spent in Maryland, but I am a true New Yorker at heart, okay? But Amber Scholes is from Maryland and I am from Maryland, and so I just feel like we click, you know? She still has like broke girl mentality, if that makes sense. Like, she buys all this fancy stuff, but she knows when something is overpriced, or like she knows like, oh, like she gets excited when she gets like good deals on stuff. And that's so great to see, because you see these YouTubers that don't understand and appreciate the value of money, and they don't understand that there are people that have to work 50 times as hard as they do for half the amount of money. And that like is actually really annoying. So we are starting off with the green on the eyes because I want this eye look to be like what I want the world to look like in the next 20 years, okay? I want everything more green. We are killing our trees, and it is really sad. Me, an intellectual, stuttering and not being able to come up with the right words to say. Honestly surprised that my dog isn't barking his head off because it's just me and him home right now. It's just him and I. Let me fix my grammar. I'm a fancy lady. It's just him and I home right now. I want to bring in a bit of a lighter green in the middle of my lids, but we want the light green to really pop. So I'm bringing in the one, the only, your favorite OG makeup product, the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Yes. If you have a makeup collection, you have owned this at one point or you own it. Okay, everyone has bought this dang pencil. Can we acknowledge the fact that we literally have a president that does not believe in the science, the literal science of climate change? Like, let us be clear about this, or let me be clear. I'm only gonna speak for myself. Global warming is not a political stance. It's not a belief. It's not an idea. We are dealing with science. One thing that is definitely happening is I am currently ruining the eyeshadow that was turning out so good at first. The eyeshadow that was once great is now a mess, and that is okay. Just be who you are.
Some of y'all is fat and ugly and unattractive, but that is okay. Just be who you are.
But I can fix this. That's what I do, is I fix makeup messes. I'm always making a makeup mess, and I always gotta fix it. So boom, come on, let's get into the fixing. Climate change is frustrating because people try to argue it as if it is political, okay? Let's be very clear about this. Climate change should not be political. It is environmental, literally. Like, it's so weird that this has to be argued, or like this point has to be proven so harshly. Like, dude, let's just acknowledge what science is showing us. And it's also interesting that without much like solid scientific proof, people are willing to be like, yeah, America had the first man to walk on the moon. But then when we have legitimate scientific proof that like global warming is a thing, it's like, no, it can't be true. Like, what's wrong with y'all? You know what? I think I need the green. I think I need the green in that part of the lid too. I'm moving in a little closer, so I'm like a little bald headed if you can't see my bun, but that's okay. I know I have hair. I'm not leaving this green in the inner corner like that. I think that's hideous. I'm about to put a blue glitter there. But yeah, as people, sometimes our intentions are good, but it's not always about your intention. If we educate ourselves and work just a little bit harder, we can find something a little more important than this whole metal straw thing. Honestly, the whole reusable cup thing, that's a good idea. Just because like it saves much more, like there's much more plastic to like cups than there is to straws. Not to say that the reusable straw thing is a bad idea, but it's just like, okay, you know, I saw a tweet, obviously you can't believe everything you see on Twitter, but I saw a tweet that said straws make up less than 2% of all of the plastic like waste that we have. And it's like, that's true, but then there's this whole like save the turtle thing, and I'm here for that because turtles are so cute and we don't want to hurt turtles. And like Bretman Rock says, Bretman Rock is like the freaking spokesperson of Save the Turtles. Bretman Rock said something just beautiful and profound, and it really sticks with me every day. Bretman Rock said, save the turtles, because without turtles, there will be no turtles. And no truer words have ever been spoken. Honestly, he is such a profound human being, and he's just such a beautiful soul. I think we all owe Bretman Rock a thank you for that shocking realization. I love him. Maybe one day I'll wake up in an alternate universe and the simulation of that alternate universe didn't allow Donald Trump to become president. All right, I'm gonna put my lashes on and then I'll be back. I'm gonna finish the base. Okay, so remember when I said I was gonna go off camera and do my lashes and be back? Obviously, I lied. I did my whole face off camera because y'all have seen me do this face makeup a bunch of times. The eyes was the star of the show. The eyes is what is giving you Earth Day realness, but the face was just the face. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you liked it, please recycle. And if you don't have an autoimmune disease, I guess go buy a reusable cup and straw, okay? If you can, if your health is set up for that, okay? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit me up on the gram because I'll be posting some bomb pictures on there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys 20 years from now if the Earth doesn't die. Bye!
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in a struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city.